Welcome home to 1116 Hitch Road in Maryville, Tennessee, a one-owner custom-built estate nestled in the foothills of the Smokies. With over 3,500 finished square feet of living area and 835 unfinished, this unique home rests beautifully on over 2 acres, offering 4 bedrooms and 3.5 baths. Rich in oak timber, this home was designed and built by Riverbend Timber Framing. We start with the centerpiece on the main level, this light-filled family room beneath cathedral ceilings and a wall of windows, all on gorgeous wood flooring. Take in the timber beams overhead, while the detail in the archways makes itself truly apparent throughout. The kitchen? Spacious, featuring a gas cooktop and grill on the island counter, a ton of cabinet storage, and note the pass-through and countertop as we make our way to the breakfast nook. Your bedrooms are located on all 3 levels. The master suite is on the main, complete with a cozy gas fireplace surrounded by mountain views. Upstairs are 2 additional bedrooms with a full bath. You'll find ample storage in 5 different attic areas and plenty of closet space. The walkout basement will serve well as separate living quarters with family room and kitchenette, and this could be an additional bedroom. With a host of amenities throughout, 1116 Hitch Road should be on your short list for a private tour. Call Ann Drake of Realty Executives Associates direct at 865-250-9472.